Hello guys, it's me Zayn. Today we're gonna do this. Okay, so I was walking around in a shopping mall or something. Then I found this. It's main time for me to try this out and to review this because it's a thing on YouTube. Grow and paint your own desert island. Cacti. Oh my god, I can't wait. You can grow 5 different types of cactus. And it was pretty cheap, so I thought, let's do this shit. So at first we have to paint and decorate and then plant and grow. Desert Island instructions. Ooh, what do we have here? I have to check out the content. Actually, this thing is good. Look at that. I'm gonna use this. Wait, there's no holes? You don't really need holes for seeds, or do you? Please don't teach me how to sow seeds. Okay, so we have this thing which doesn't fit. I'm supposed to do this! Keep this bag away from baby and children. This is a toy. What do you mean? Oosh, oh my god. I'm gonna have the most beautiful seed sewing tray in the whole world with these stickers. So let's sew some seeds together. Find a flat surface to work on and cover it with newspaper. Maybe that's a good idea. No, I'm just too lazy now. Grab a cup of water for cleaning your paint brush as well as paper towels to pick up any spills that may happen. I'm gonna be trying to remain clean here. Use the glue to assemble the dragon castle and leave it to dry for 24 hours. Dragon castle? What? Dragon castle. 4 pots of paint, 2 plant sides, 2 seed packets, 1 coconut fiber bag, 1 paintbrush, 1 planter and lid, 1 desert vulture, 1 wooden stick, 1 A4 sticker sheet, 1 bag of sand. Easy to follow instructions. Where is my dragon castle? Okay, whatever. Painting and planting your garden. Step 1. Create a cool, fun scene on your planter using your paints and paintbrush. Shit. I'm gonna need a newspaper. Bitch, okay. Oh no. Wow. Oh my god. Full coverage. Maybe it will be more covered if I do a thicker layer. This is fun, I guess. Okay, this is definitely very ugly. Okay, the dessert for me looks rather green since the blue color is showing up. Ooh, shit. How am I supposed to mix up the white and the blue? So artistic. Oh my god. Can I do more in this channel? I don't think so. Oh, okay, I have clouds. Now let's do some greenery in the dessert. Look at that. Shit. I'm so proud of myself. This is better than my real paintings, I tell you. This is the top of my career. I'm gonna draw some flowers on that cactus with the red color and we're so ready. Best day of my life. I'm ready. Tell me the next step. I'm lost without these instructions. Once you have finished your masterpiece, put your planter in a safe spot and let it dry for 24 hours. I don't have time for that. Once dry, add stickers to your design from the sticker sheet included. Stick your desert vulture to the popsicle stick with a glue, not provided, and wait until dry. Oh my god, actually I like these stickers. Okay, cowgirls here. Where is the cowboy? I was wrong. We have a love triangle here. Or we have 4 people here, so they should be together. Here's the happy, I don't know, not family. Here's the cowgirl and the cowboy. They 2 are together, and here is a cowboy and this bad man, and they are together as well. So, oh my god, this video is so LGBTQ friendly. What next? Planting step 1. Now that your planter has dried, it is time to plant your seeds. Okay, pour the loose coconut fiber into your plant and add 2 to 3 cups of warm water. You should see the coconut fiber expand and turn into a beautiful soil. Let the soil sit and soak for an hour. No! This is science, bitch! Oh, okay, here is my coconut fiber. I need water. 2 to 3 cups of water, that's a lot of water. I will use only 2. That's 1 cup. And that's 2 cups of water. And now I don't want to wait. Don't make me wait! Do I really have to wait? Or just can I mix this shit with this paintbrush? I don't want to wait for this soil to soak. I'm gonna mix it for myself. This takes a lot of time. I thought I will open this toy and I can plant seeds. But I have to wait first. 24 hours, bitch no. Then 1 hour, still no. Okay, I think what I'm doing here is successful. Oh my god. I don't have to leave this shit here for soaking. I can actually plant shit. Okay, let's say I waited for 24 hours. Oopsie. Okay, no, not 24 hours, I mean 1 hour. You should see the coconut fiber expand and turn into a beautiful soil. Wow, look at this. Oh shit, this is heavy. Look at this beautiful soil. It's beautiful. While your soil is soaking, place your seeds in separate cups, not included, filled with warm water, and let them soak for a few hours. This toy was made for really patient people. I'm a patient person, but not now, when I'm playing. Don't make me patient. Why should I soak these seeds? Okay, here's my cup of warm water. I'm gonna soak them for 10 minutes, it should be long enough, right? I feel like I don't have to soak these, what is this? Delicate desert marigold seeds. Oh my god, these seeds are tiny. How am I supposed to soak these seeds? This is dust. This is literally dust, oh my god. This is dust. I'm not gonna soak these. Divide your planter into 3 sections and create 2 holes in each section using your finger. In each hole, place a few seeds, sprinkle sand on top and add your plant sides. Why should I divide my planter into 3 sections and create 2 holes in each? This 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes. This is the 5th and the 6th planting the seeds. Now you cannot see anything, so I should bring you closer. I'm sure you cannot see anything of these holes because this is dark. This shit is dark here. 1 hole, 2 holes I guess, 3 holes, and I have some left over, so I'm just gonna sprinkle these all over. Cover the holes. That's just a lot of seeds in 1 hole. So what if I sprinkle them all over the place? Bringing my own creativity here into this. Sprinkling seeds. I hope these are seeds. If all of these dust particles are seeds, I'm gonna have a ton of cacti. Find a warm, sunny area to display your garden. Make sure to keep the soil damp until the seeds begin to sprout. Once your seeds have sprouted, be sure to check on them every day. Oh my god, what a commitment. Your seedlings should be getting at least 5 hours of sun a day. If the soil feels dry, then add water to your soil. Be careful not to overwater your plants. You should be watering them about twice a week. But how much water? That's the question, right? Your plants will take up to 7 weeks to grow into a cool desert island. Be careful, cactus will be sharp. 7 weeks? Okay, so after 7 weeks, this thing right here should look like this. There will become a time when your plants have outgrown your planter. At this time, you will need to move your plants into a bigger planter. Fill your new planter with soil and make a hole big enough for your plant to sit in. Gently scoop out your plant with a small shovel. There was not a single word about this lid covering the plants. We have to cover the soil with sand. I feel like I'm decorating with like confectioner sugar or something. Delicate desert marigold going in. And the Old West Outlaw Cactus Mix, bitch. And the watcher. Because if we have this, we should use it. And this is my masterpiece. Oh my god, I'm so proud. Let's cover it with this lid here. I feel we should decorate this upper part with stickers. So look at this masterpiece. It's ready. We have decorated the planter part. We have decorated this lid part. Oh my god, the sand. No. And inside we have this flying watcher and these two plant signs, the delicate desert marigold and the Old West Outlaw Cactus Mix. Now I'm gonna place this on a well-lit place. And I'm gonna wait for these to grow. This is my video for today and I hope you liked it. If you liked it, click on the like button. If you disliked it, you're gonna be eaten by a vulture in the desert. Subscribe to this channel, click on the bell button so you get notifications. Subscribe to my other channel and see you next time. Hopefully when these will be sprouted already. Bye guys.